What opportunities can beginners expect after they learn Google Ads?
Okay, so once you learn Google Ads, not only can you use them for your own business, but you can start using them as a service for other businesses. So I'll give you an example. There are a lot of businesses out there that need more customers. In fact, almost every single business that you go to in the mall, if you go to the mall, between Monday and Friday, you'll see that they have next to no one in their shop. The reason why they have next to no one in the shop is because they're not doing the proper job when it comes to marketing. So what happens is those businesses are only making money on weekends. Now, the cool thing is this: if you can make them money between Monday and Friday, or even before payday, those businesses will be more than happy to pay you for that service.
Yeah.
So not only when you know Google Ads can you help yourself, but you could literally go to other businesses and say, hey, if I can get you 25 more clients per month, how much would that be worth to you? Now, if we're talking like something like a car dealership, if a car dealership gets 25 more leads, and those 25 more leads means they sell 5 more cars, and let's say they make 30,000 Rand off every single car that they sell, you've just added 150,000 Rand to that business.
Yeah.
And they'll be happy to pay you a percentage of that. So you can see the opportunities there. Wow. Not only is that an opportunity where you can go to other clients and get them businesses, it also opens you up to being able to work for an agency. Especially in South Africa right now, because in South Africa, there are very little people who know how to run Google Ads. And if you go on LinkedIn and you look at the jobs that they post, most of them are looking for people who just know Google Ads. They don't care about your experience. They don't care what you've done before. All they want to know is, do you actually know a little bit more about Google Ads than they do? And they will hire you, and they will give you a salary, and they will give you accounts to work on so that you can develop your experience. So opportunity-wise, this is the best time to get into Google Ads.